Hello everyone, welcome once again. Myself Jyoti Tiwari and I am teaching you chapter 6 life processes of class 10th. Okay, subject is science as you know that. I hope you all are enjoying my videos, and in last lecture video I have discussed about respiratory system in human beings. Okay, now in this lecture video I am going to teach you transportation. Okay, so let's know what is transportation. At first, transportation is a process in which there is supply of essential component to all the cells and taking away all the unnecessary component from the cells. Okay, so this is the process called transportation. In biological language, if we deal with transportation, we will say blood is a connective tissue in human. Here we are discussing transportation in human. Okay, so blood is a connective tissue, means it is presenting in all the tissue and reaching all the tissues of the body. Okay, you have studied that cells, when cells group is there, it is called what? It is called tissue, and tissue form organ. Okay, you have studied already. So blood is a connective tissue in human. It transport necessary substance to cell, all the substance, all the component which cell require, okay, for its function, to perform its basic function, are transported by blood to cells, and also transport essential component to cell as well as metabolic waste product away from those cells, and it also taking away metabolic waste product. What are metabolic waste product? So I have already taught you that glucose is uptaken by cell. Glucose is uptaken by cells, and that glucose later converted into what? Carbon dioxide and other component, which are metabolic waste product for this cell, and these metabolic waste products are taken away by blood from the cells. Now let's discuss what are the component of blood that help in this process, so that blood can perform transportation process. So component of blood are plasma, which is a yellow color fluid. It actually transport carbon dioxide and food. What it does? It does transportation of carbon dioxide and food. Okay, and another is red blood cells. Red blood cell contain actually hemoglobin. Okay, so what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a protein which actually transport oxygen. Okay, which actually transport oxygen. It help in the transport of oxygen in blood. In blood there is presence of hemoglobin, and when alveoli has air, and here blood vessel, this air diffuses to the blood present in that blood vessel, okay. So air has O2, and this O2 is taken by hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein. Later this blood goes to different part of the body, and in different part of the body this hemoglobin actually supply the oxygen and itself take what? Carbon dioxide, and again this blood come to this region, and this carbon dioxide goes to alveoli, and air is again taken by hemoglobin. Here means hemoglobin is doing the work of transportation. It is like a car which is taking oxygen and supply it to other organ, okay, of the body, and from all those organ it take carbon dioxide, okay, carbon dioxide, and again come to alveoli region in the lungs and transport carbon dioxide to the alveoli, which is breathed out by respiratory system. Now, platelets present in blood which help in blood clotting. Whenever you get any injury, there is formation of dark clot or a dark layer which is called blood clot. So help in blood clotting. White blood cells are also component of blood and it help in fight against bacteria, virus, germs. Okay, it provide actually immunity to our body to fight against infection. So how this blood is circulating in our body? It is circulated with the help of heart, because there is need of pump now. Whenever you have to circulate water in the whole house, you use generally what, a water motor, okay, to pump that water in all area of your house pipes. Okay, so there is heart in our body which pump blood, okay, through the blood vessels. In our house there are water pipe, and in our body, in its place, we have blood vessels working as pipe. Okay, but don't feel it's like lovey-dovey. It's a organ of pumping. It pump blood. Okay, so I will continue this in next lecture video. Hope you all are liking my videos. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you.